Pakistan is seeing massive flash floods across many of its populated regions due to heavy monsoon rains. With deep water rendering many methods of transport unusable, and homes and businesses damaged to the tune of billions of rupees worth of damages. The flooding sweeping through Pakistan as a result of the rains is devastating. So far, at least 1,350 people have been killed as a result of the floods. Over 1 million houses washed away, and over 50 million people have been affected by the floods. The scale of such devastation has left millions of people struggling, fighting to survive. Al-Khair Foundation has launched an emergency appeal to send aid quickly and effectively to those affected by these floods. With Al-Khair Foundation's dedicated volunteers on the ground in flooded areas, not only will they be able to aid in rescue for those stranded by the floods, but they will also give support and resources to those who have been affected. Your help will make this possible. Your donations and kindness will be key to aiding the people of Pakistan who have had their entire lives washed away by these floods. For a donation of only £50, you will provide an emergency food pack, £30 will give an aid pack of hygiene and non-food items. Medical support comes from £100 per individual aided. £40 for water containers. £30 for a cooking kit. And shelter and tents for £350 each for those people who have been forced to move or have lost their homes as a result of the flood. Your kindness today will ensure that someone will live to see a brighter tomorrow. So please donate with generosity and confidence by calling 03000 999 786 or visit alkhair.org.